Let's go across to my colleague Imran, who just had that conversation. There are demands coming in, particularly from the Vokkaliga community, from the seer to several members of the community now saying DK Shivkumar is the one who ensured the victory of the Congress. So Imran, what would this mean for the Congress party? Vokkaliga is a dominant community in Karnataka, both the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister in the national capital. What's expected?
Well, absolutely. As you know, for the past couple of days, there is a shadow battle happening between supporters of DK Shivkumar and the Chief Minister. While the Chief Minister's supporters, who are cabinet ministers, have been dividing Deputy CM posts, and they're saying that to represent other communities, 3 to 5 Deputy CMs should be more, and they had raised up this demand. Now, a seer from the Vokkaliga community, which is the second largest community, both politically dominant community, has demanded that the Chief Minister post should be given to DK Shivkumar, saying that since he was the party president when the party came to power in assembly, and his performance also better in Lok Sabha, and they attributed mainly because of DK Shivkumar's leadership and organization skills. Hence, the seer are demanding that there should be chief post should be given to DK Shivkumar. In fact, as seer made the statement today, Vokkaliga Federation has come out saying that they are calling for a meeting of all stakeholders over this issue, and they said that in the coming days they're going to start a campaign to make DK Shivkumar the Chief Minister and put pressure on the High Command. Now, both the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and all the cabinet ministers, senior ministers are there in Delhi. Today, we are meeting Rahul Gandhi. We have to wait and see how the High Command looks into this issue, because already there were speculations that this government has came to power with two chief ministers, that Siddharamayya given 2.5 years and DK Shivkumar with 2.5 years. That's the deal. But now the pressure mounting on more Deputy CMs. Supporters of DK Shivkumar are saying that rather go for Deputy CMs, DK Shivkumar should be made as the Chief Minister of the state.
Okay, all right. And the Chief Minister, when he was asked about it in the national capital, said this year is not the High Command. For their part, both the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister have been trying some damage control, really. The Deputy Chief Minister, DK Shivkumar, also maintained that he will abide by whatever decision the High Command takes.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕೆಲವರು ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಏನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
And well, the power tussle in Karnataka comes even as people in Bengaluru and other parts of the state battle several issues, including the menace of rising cases of dengue as well as road also caving in after rainfall. The increase in prices of water and fuel also burning a hole in people's pockets. The BJP has now hit out at the Congress government. The former Karnataka Chief Minister and BJP MP Basuraj Bommai, in an exclusive interview to Times Network, said that the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister were busy in a power tussle even as people continue to suffer.
If Rahul Gandhi thinks that Karnataka is a model state, then it is going to be a disaster. Imagine a city like Bangalore having no water, and these people, never bothered about it. They are busy politicking, and even now, people are suffering, but they are busy politicking. Deputy CM wants to become CM, CM wants to destabilize Deputy CM. So huge political crisis is there, and if this kind of unstable government, anti-people government, and a corrupt government, if this is a model Rahul Gandhi looks forward, all the best to him.
उसके बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे. कौन सीएम होगा, कौन डिप्टी सीएम होगा, वो अपना विचार नहीं है. अपना विचार जनता बहुत परेशान कर रहा है. जनता के खिलाफ इस सरकार है, उसके बारे में अपना चिंता है.
So, Imran, this has also given ammunition to the BJP, and the BJP has also listed out the issues that the people are facing. Not helping the cause is the fact that very recently the prices of fuel had also been increased. Now the prices of milk also being increased in Karnataka.
Well, we also saw that road caved in two places in Bangalore yesterday, and as you rightly pointed out, prices of milk has been increased. which charge strongly denies by the Chief Minister, saying that since we also increased 50 ml of milk with the increase of prices. Also, but the important is the price of fuel, petrol, fuel, diesel. That is increase is what hits the common man most, especially it affects all the allied industries too. Now, however, this issue, the BJP has targeted the Congress government, saying that the ministers and the are busy furthering their political career, whereas the needs of the common man and administration is affected. And the example of it is what is coming out in the past couple of days, where roads have caved in and many people are complaining about the rise in both milk and petrol and petroleum products. Now, this is an issue which the BJP said that the Congress is only in fighting, and the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are involved in shadow boxing, and what the ministers involved is divided in two groups supporting each of the camp.
Okay, all right.